we can't go into the New Year's looking a mess. Now, can we? Get your life together, sis.
She in the back, she in a Birkin. Always in the feelings attitude, but she still paid. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the block, run in your mouth, we close your curtains. That ass shaking when she working. Stomach flat, ass so fat, just watch me work it. Mop 'em up, chopper sweeping like a broom.
What's up, guys? It's Treen being number Zach with another video for you guys. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I haven't been on in like 3 weeks, so I didn't get to tell you guys. But yes, I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's. I hope your holidays were filled with so much joy and laughter and happiness and everything of all that sort. But guys, remember how I told you that my desk was a mess and I just had to rearrange everything and organize it, and I was doing that video and I was packing orders on the floor? Yeah, your girl really needs to rearrange her life. But yeah, so that's what I did. That's what this video is going to be about. I'm gonna show you a before pic of my work area, and don't judge me. So this is how it looked before. I was in the process of pulling everything out, so it looks worse than it really was, but yeah. So yeah, you see how atrocious that looks? It's a mess. I was actually in the process of starting to rearrange, so it looks a little messier than it actually was. I'm getting everything right for the New Year's, because we can't go into the New Year's looking a mess. Now, can we? Get your life together, sis. And for anybody that is new who just subscribed to my channel, my name is Trina, aka Treen Bean, founder and CEO of Divine Beauty Cosmetics. So hi guys, I hope you guys are here to stay. I hope you guys are here to take this journey with me and just see my growth, and I hope you guys stay. I'm here to provide you guys with information and ideas for your own business as well, and just, you know, provide great content for you guys, empower you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize my little workspace area in my room, because I work out from my house and my room at the moment until I can expand and get a room and yada yada yada. So it does get a little hectic at times because there is a limited space that I have to work with. So I had to just get organized, and this is the after. I'm gonna show you guys now. So as you can see, slowly but surely everything is finally coming together. Wait till you see the after. Okay, so this is currently my workspace area that I have reorganized. Like I told you guys before, I am working out of a little space in my room because I do not have a spare room to actually have all my inventory and stuff. So yeah, this is the outcome, and I am so very satisfied of the way I hooked this up and organized it, because it was a wreck before. Like, it was horrible. I couldn't get anything done. Everything was all over the place. As you guys know, I have 3 kids, and my youngest being 1, and he just likes to come in and just touch everything and just, like, you know, just he's just in everything. If you have kids, you know. FYI, guys, I made this chair. This was a DIY of mine. I love doing little DIYs. It was an old chair, really beaten down. So I just went to Michael's. I got some cloth, picked up a pillow and some extra fabric. I put some padding on it and staple gunned it and stuff like that. And it came out amazing. This chair is probably 2 years old now, though. So then moving along, then here we just have my little workspace here, my little laptop, and behind here we have my thank you cards and the business cards, and then down here we have just some extra boxes that are already folded up just to pull out on hand. Have my scale. Here we have our wand tubes, lip liners, lip balms, some lashes, and then here we have all our squeeze tubes. And then in this drawer we have some extra inventory, some squeeze tubes, some extra wand tubes, the lip gloss boxes. I actually have to order more wand tubes, so I'm going to do that soon. And here we have some extra tissue paper that I put in the boxes to make them all pretty and nice. And here we just have some more inventory, some label paper, printer paper, and all of my business records and stuff down there. And then here is my little junk drawer. And right here we just have my little garbage and some more boxes on hand. So I have, today is actually the first that I'm filming this, guys, and I was supposed to do my vision board, but I think I'm gonna do it sometime today to get that done because I really want to do one. And yeah, I just have this LED candle here. I think it's so cute. And then I have my little chocolates that I usually put inside the orders, some scissors and pens just because I need to make some notes and write my little thank you cards. And then we have my little hand sanitizer and the Lysol wipes because you need to make sure that your area is sterile as possible. So then I have these little candles, like these. I wanted to release these for the holidays, but I couldn't quite get the formula right. It looks great, it looks amazing, but I do not like the way it burns and the scent is not strong enough. So I'm actually working on the formula for you guys. I did this one and this one. I think this, oh my god, this one was my favorite one. This one was so cute, but the fragrance is not strong enough for the candle wax. So I'm still working on getting those done. If you guys would like to see those on the site, please let me know. Comment in the comment box below because I think they're so cute and I think they would just be a great addition to the website. So this little shelf thing right here was another one of my DIYs. I did it like a year ago. I just got some crates from Michael's when they were on sale and glued them together in the pattern that I wanted, and voila, came out beautiful, and just painted it up and the job was done. Okay, so over here in this area I have some products that are already made. I usually don't like to keep a lot of products on hand because I like to make them as the orders come in so that they are fresh. So that we have the black soap here, the rose toner, the caramel and honey toner, and the oils, and so that's here. And then we have my little reindeer. Oh my god, I think he's so cute. And my little Christmas tree. I know they have to come down. I'm going to take them down sometime this week. And then I have all my the boxes and my poly envelopes and little garbanzo bags, and all my little packaging here in this area. Okay, so now we move on to down here in this section where we have some scrubs that are already made. We have some bath bombs already made, some soaps just in case I have to have an order and I have to just pull them out real fast. I have some there, but like I said, I do like to make sure that they are made on hand when the orders are coming in. And here we just have some extra inventory, my extra glasses, some little bags, and here we have everything I use for my my soaps, to make my soaps. And then in this section, my stuff for my lip gloss, like my mica powders, my pigments, my flavoring. These are fragrances for the scrubs and everything like that, the glitters. And then down here I have some more oils that I use to make my products. So that is down here. And then I have my soap molds and my candle wax and wicks. And then here this is the stuff that I usually just use to make my body scrubs and my bath bombs and stuff like that. Then here we have some Versagel there, and some printing paper and label paper. So yeah, this is my little workspace area. Like I said, it's not much, it's not anything big, but this is where I'm at right now. And I'm so proud of myself of, you know, how my business is going, how it's growing. And I just want to show you guys, you know, my growth and just have you guys come along for the ride. 2020, man, that was one hell of a year. It was kind of tough, but it also had its blessings. This is the year that is the year that I started my business and got to see it grow. I mean, it wasn't easy. It's still not easy, but hopefully I'm gonna keep grinding, keep doing what I'm doing, keep creating great content for you guys, and just thinking of better ways, you know, that I can just grow my business. And if you have any ideas of videos that you would like to see me do, just leave them down in the comments and I'll make sure to get that out for you guys. So yeah, guys, I hope 2021 is an amazing year for us, especially if you are starting your own business. I wish you nothing but success and blessings in everything that you do. And I'm about to leave this here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. Go follow. I'm out, guys. Mwah. Much love.
She in a Birkin, always in the feelings attitude, but she still fade. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the block.